New and improved formula. More moisturizing formula with pure shea butter, natural oils, and no drying alcohol or silicones. Intense moisture. Soften, strengthen, and smooth hair from roots to ends. Helps repair damaged hair. Reduces split ends and protects against future damage. Hydrate 3 ways. Daily use on damaged areas, rinse out conditioner, or absorbing leave-in treatment. Cruelty-free. Absolutely no testing on animals. When it comes to your hair, intense hydration is the key to nourishing care, so we've formulated a new improved deeply conditioning cream that repairs breakage, reduces split ends, and strengthens your hair so it's ready for styling. Infused with pure shea butter natural oils, our new formula provides more intense moisture and leaves drying alcohol and silicones far behind. Turn to this specially developed treatment for immediate care that strengthens dry and damaged areas while leaving hair soft manageable. Creamy and luxurious in texture, included in your hair routine to mend damage or as your daily conditioner. If your hair is in need of some TLC, use it as a leave-in treatment for 30 minutes before rinsing. At Cantu, our nuanced formulas are here to support you on your journey from care to confidence that is uniquely and authentically yours. Great for relaxed, natural, texturized color-treated hair. Top reviews from the United States. Leaves hair feeling soft. Leaves hair feeling and smelling great.